Hello gardeners. Today I want to share with you an effective and at the same time simple fertilizer, which I cook myself from food waste. It will help the cucumber plant to quickly grow green mass, and there will also be many large cucumbers. Because this fertilizer will contain nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and many other microelements useful for the plant. And all this nutrition will be in an easily accessible form for plants. Bananas are required for cooking. Or rather, just the peel. They need 4 pieces to prepare 1 serving. More is possible, but less is not desirable. Otherwise, the fertilizer will be weak. Place the peel in a 1-quart container and fill with water. And to speed up the cooking process, you can pour hot water. Close the lid and leave to infuse for 2 days. During this time, the water will be saturated with nutrition from the banana peel, and fermentation processes will begin, which are important in the preparation of this top dressing. After 2 days, strain the finished fertilizer into another container. And pour all this volume into 10 quarts of warm water, namely street temperature. Because we will feed the cucumbers, and they do not like cold water. Because of cold water, they can get sick, the fruits will be bitter and twisted. Remember this rule. And now the fertilizer is completely ready. Under 1 plant of cucumbers, you need to pour only half a jar, with a volume of 1 quart. As I show in the video, the total volume of this fertilizer is enough to feed 20 plants. And with this fertilizer you can feed cucumbers, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes, zucchini and other vegetable plants. Such top dressing can be given to plants once every 2 weeks, and continue to be done until the end of fruiting. Because it consists of pure organic matter and cannot harm plants, crops and those who will consume this crop. If the information from this video was useful to you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and do not miss the release of new videos, from which you can learn a lot more.